everybody, welcome back to episode 20 of Rattle Together, where we achieve success through respect, ambition, tenacity, trustworthiness, loyalty, and empathy. This is our science video of the day, and I'm Miss Burns. I would like to start out with our riddle, of course. Yesterday's riddle was what starts with a P, ends with an E, and has thousands of letters in it. Starts with a P, ends with an E, has thousands of letters in it. Well, I don't think there are any words with thousands of letters in them. But, guess what? Post office, post starts with a P, office ends with a silent E, and in a post office you will find thousands of letters getting ready to be mailed to people all over the world. That one's a fun one. And our riddle for today is, when is a door not a door? So be thinking about that one for tomorrow. When is a door not a door? All right, let's get started. Our science project today is a quick one, but it's a really interesting one. And I honestly haven't been able to find out why it works yet. So I'm going to be looking it up. But what you'll need for this is either a glass or ceramic plate. Okay, so glass or ceramic plate. Borrowed this from Mr. Ron. Thanks, Mr. Ron. Some dry erase markers and some water. So, if you have permission from a grown-up, you may grab those things, pause the video, and let's begin. All right, so make a prediction right now. I'm going to tell you what we're going to do, and I'd like you to write down your prediction or tell your prediction to a grown-up, and then send it to me. What we're going to do is draw some pictures in here really quickly. The key here is to go pretty fast. And then pour some water in. And I want you to think about it just for a second. What do you think is going to happen? We draw on the plate with dry erase markers and then pour water on top. What's going to happen? Be thinking about it. Ready? So I'm just going to draw. I'm going to try and go as fast as I can. Some circles. Polka dots. I'm going to draw a purple heart. And another purple heart. Oh my goodness, I better move fast. And a green star. And another green star. All right, you ready? Pour the water in. Watch what happens. And of course, it's not working yet. Oh, there goes one of them. Look what happened. Oh, I'm putting way too much in now. Can you see? That green star and that purple heart. They are floating around on the surface of the water. And I can't figure out why that would happen. So it must be that the marker created like a film, kind of like, you know, ooh, watch that. When I press near it, it goes away. Are you seeing that? So something that you could peel off like paint, which obviously you can't do that when it's just on the plate itself. So when you pour the water on, what must happen is that it kind of solidifies, and then it is the less dense, so it floats up to the top because it's not very dense. I don't know why these didn't do it. If I push them, maybe? No. I mean, it's peeling up, kind of like if you had nail polish in there. Look at that. Okay, that's not working out. So I kind of wish that I had a second plate so we could try it a second time in the same video, but I don't. Guys, what am I gonna do? I kind of want to test it out on some different things, but this is so much fun. Look, so that bit that I scraped up, oh, there goes that heart. Did you see that? It just peeled up, and now there are two hearts floating around. All right, let me try. I'm gonna like, pushing at them. And then I'm going to do this, see if we can get them up. Okay, now we've got 2 spots, 2 hearts, 3 spots. Look at that, guys. This is so fun. I mean, it's super simple, but it is very entertaining. And if I was near a sink, I would just dump it out and start again to show you. I think that if, oh, now they're all floating. Everything is floating. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. Isn't that so fun? All right, so that's it. That's our whole entire science video today, guys. Obviously, oh look, that spot kind of went back to its original shape too, eventually. So we've found that the dry erase marker, is not very dense and floats in water. And isn't that so amazing? So send me pictures, send me videos, let me see what you guys are up to. By the way, I was talking to my friend Sadie today. She's going to join us for our new show tomorrow called Ask Me Anything. So we were just testing out to make sure things would work. And I told her I was going to do a circuit project. And I tried it out before making this video and it did not work. Oh well. But this was really cool anyway, right? So, look at my floating shapes. All right. Sorry, guys, you know. So join us tomorrow for our new show called Ask Me Anything. And you can ask me anything. Send me questions. Send me pictures of your work, videos of your work. Let me see what you guys are up to, okay? My email address is rburns, R-B-U-R-N-S @KUSD.org. My Facebook page is Rattle Together, fb.me/rattle together, R-A-T-T-L-E, to get her, T-O-G-E-T-H-E-R. And you can message me there as well, m.me/rattle together, period, R-A-T-T-L-E, to get her, T-O-G-E-T-H-E-R, period. I hope to hear from you guys. I hope you are all happy and healthy and safe. I love ya. I miss ya. Mwah.